You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of these two countries in the Middle East. We'll be looking at how to say more country names that too many people get wrong and get confused by. Stay tuned, loads to learn. So it's Iran, because in Iran it's said Iran, and Iraq. So it's not Iran and Iraq, Iran and Iraq. It's easy, stress on the second syllable in both cases. Iran, Iraq. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.